It's Pujo time and everyone likes to do things a little differently, a little special because this is a time for celebration. We're now at Flurys, an iconic outlet which also wants to do things differently, a little differently during pujas, and of course right now you can see the decoration. Of course, the star attraction this time is of course again the chocolate Durga, Maa Durga arriving on a horse, and of course it's been sculpted from chocolate. Joining me now is Vikas Kumar, Director of Food Production of Flurys. So Puja time, what's special on the menu?
So we got a special puja menu like every year. So it's got a lot of food which has influence of puja special mishtis. For example, we have a mishti doi moose. We have a Thaali which has puja special food for our lunch and dinner. And also, of course, you can see this beautiful Durga that we made for the third time running, and every year we do it slightly differently based on what the theme of that year is. This year Maa Durga is coming on a horse, and so we've created this, it's about 4.5 feet tall Durga idol, about 55 kilo in weight, and it took us almost about 2 months to completely make it. It's made completely by hand, and it's our tribute to this beautiful festival of Durga Puja, which is, I call it the biggest party on earth.
Oh, lovely. And you were talking a little bit about the special menu. A thali at Flurys is unheard of, but tell me what is included in this thali?
So we've got the traditional ingredients which go into a thali. We just make it slightly differently. It's got all those Bengali flavors, and it is special for our lunch and dinner menu, if you can see. So everything here is homemade. We have prawn, and we have rice. We have prawn curry. We also have chicken. We have mutton. We have fish. This year we also have something called berry pulao, which is also a
Parsi delicacy.
A Parsi delicacy which we put for our Durga Puja menu. So yeah, people love to eat during Durga Puja in Calcutta. We all know that. So we've tried to do our bit and really giving to people what they love to eat during Durga Puja.
Like we said, every restaurant, even the iconic ones, wants to have a special menu during Puja. Flurys is no different, but again, Flurys standing out this year with this chocolate Maa Durga, which is of course welcoming the deity, the goddess, into the city of joy. With camera person GD Shankar at Flurys in Kolkata, Saurabh Gupta, NDTV.